Hi everybody, it's Caitlin here at Mechanics of Music. Today is another quick sing-along and play-along that I'm making for a student. We are learning the song Runaway to Mars by Talk. This is a super cool song. I don't get obsessed with songs the way I used to before I was like a music teacher and stuff, but this song I get pretty obsessed with it and I listen to it 10 million times on repeat. And it's just a great song. So we're gonna sing it and play it together. A cool couple things I want to say before we get started. Number one, he plays it Capo 2nd fret, but I cannot hit quite some of I can't quite hit some of those low notes, so I'm putting it on Capo 4th fret. So if you want to play along with Talk, you have to put Capo on 2nd fret, but if you want to play along with me, Capo 4th fret. And I still kind of bottom out on some of the notes, but I like the way everything else sounds, so I'm just going for it on 4th fret. That's also what makes the song so cool, is that he sings so low and then the chorus is so uplifting and so high. Some of the chords are only, you're only playing them for half of the strumming pattern, which is another cool thing. So the chords that we need are G. I'm going to play G with the 2 fingers up here, but once again, as always, play any G that you want. But the reason I'm playing this G is because when I go to the D over F sharp chord, I move my first finger up a string and I put my middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. That's a chord inversion. It's just a really weird D chord. It's still a D chord, but now we're getting this like, this walk down thing. Make sure your capo is on right. So that's my G going to D over F sharp, and I leave these 2 fingers on. And then for E minor 7, again, I leave my pinky and ring finger on, and I just put these 2 fingers for E minor. And then C add 9. If you really want to play stretchy C instead of C add 9, go for it. This is your song. And then we go back to G. So there's some spots where we're just doing D over F sharp as its own chord, and we're doing the whole strumming pattern, but there's other spots where we do it for only 2 beats. So the strumming pattern will be pattern number 9, which is down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. We'll do that 2 times on each chord in the intro and the verse. When we get to the chorus, we only do it 1 time on each chord. And then when I'm doing the strumming pattern, I'm kind of accenting the 2nd strum. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 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 1, 2. Let's do that again. G. D over F sharp. To go into the chorus is A minor 7. So you probably already know A minor. To get to A minor 7, we just lift our ring finger off. Such a pretty chord. And then we're going to the D chord after that. Another chord we need is called D sus 4. That's where we add our pinky to the 3rd fret of this high E string. I do a whole video on sus chords, but for now, just keep the rest of your D chord on there and add the pinky, because we're going to D chord right after, since I already have my middle finger ready to go. Really cool. That's at the very end. So now let's talk about the chorus. There's some of the chords are underlined, the D over F sharp, if you download the chords that I've got to go along with this video. Those chords are going to be only for 2 beats. So I'm going to play the G chord right before it for the full strumming pattern, and then I play 2 more beats on the G chord before I switch to D over F sharp. So I'm doing G, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, D over F sharp, E minor. Let's do that again. So G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty cool. It doesn't get a whole bar on the D over F sharp, and it really just pushes you along. I'm also doing regular E minor, not E minor 7 in the chorus, and I'm doing stretchy C. Stretchy C because that's actually the note I'm singing. What if I run away to Mars? That high E string is actually the note I'm singing, so it helps me get my note to play this chord instead of C add 9. where I'm playing a different note there. So these are just little reasons why you might choose one chord over the other chord, but as I always say, a lot of these G's and C's are interchangeable, and it's your version of the song, so do whatever feels good for you and whatever is more fun and easy. If you want to challenge, go for it. If you want to just do what you already know, then do that too. So let's play it, strumming pattern 9. And on the last time we do the chorus, we're going to do single strums, and we're just going to fade away into space. So we're going to start on our G chord 2 times through the strumming pattern on each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. D over F sharp. E minor 7. And C at 9. Your colors fading. Okay, a couple other notes. I'm filling in the strumming pattern before I go to the chorus. So when I'm on the D chord, if I go from A minor, before my time runs out, doing down, up, down, up, down, up, what if I run away? As always, use your strumming pattern to tell the story of the song. You can strum a little quieter, you can strum a little bit louder. I'm using no pick for this, just because I'm singing so low and I'm barely hitting the notes, so I don't want to play too loud, and my nails are pretty loud as it is, but a pick tends to be a bit louder for me. So I didn't do a lot of dynamics, I played it pretty straight, but use your strumming to tell the story. Build it down really quiet. 2, 1, I miss you. And then build it back up again. I'm sorry, I've got issues. What if I run away? So that's a lot different than just playing it strumming pattern. And that's what I always encourage people to get to that point where it's not just, okay, what's the strumming pattern? I'm going to do that the whole way through like a robot. I want you to play it louder, play it softer, play it quieter, take away some strums, add some strums. Ta-da! Music. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. What if I run away to Mars? Would you find me in the stars? Would you miss me in the end if I run out of oxygen when I run away to Mars? 3, 2, 1, I miss you. I'm sorry, I've got issues. What if I run away to Mars? Would you find me in the stars?